How to hide WhatsApp online status. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your WhatsApp application on your device. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all of your conversation or chats with your friends. So in order to hide WhatsApp online status, you need to tap on the three dotted vertical line in the right upper corner. And from over here, you have to go for settings option. And once you do that, you'll be able to see this interface. You have to simply go for privacy option at second. And at first option, there is last seen and online option. Simply go for that. So here are two options. The first one is who can see my last seen, and the second one is who can see when I'm online. So in order to hide your online status, you need to first manage the settings on who can see your last seen. So at the first option, you have to select nobody, so no one will able to see your last seen. And at the second option, you have to select same as last seen option, which means no one will able to see whether you are online or not. So this is how you hide WhatsApp online status. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.